On day 10, your sensor automatically stops. Your receiver will alert you 6 hours, 2 hours, and 30 minutes before this happens. Once you tap OK on your alert, you'll be prompted for a new sensor. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your sensor. To replace your Dexcom G6 sensor, follow these steps. First, take the sensor off your body, then remove the transmitter from the holder. Second, enter a new sensor code. Third, insert a new sensor and attach your transmitter. Fourth, start your new sensor. The system will guide you through these steps. Let's watch Bruce replace his sensor. The first thing you need to do is remove your sensor and transmitter. Grab the edge of the adhesive patch, peel the adhesive and the transmitter up and away from your body like a bandage. Next, you need to remove the transmitter from the holder. To remove the transmitter, push down the lip and break the wide end of the transmitter holder. Pull the transmitter out of the holder. Keep the transmitter to use with your next sensor. You will reuse your transmitter for 3 months. Next, you will need to enter a new sensor code. You'll need to enter a new sensor code because the code is specific to each sensor. Grab a new sensor and enter the code. Confirm your sensor code, then tap Next. Now you need to insert your sensor and attach your transmitter. Remember, you need to insert the same sensor as the sensor code you just entered. First, wash and dry your hands. Choose a site to insert your sensor. Clean the site with rubbing alcohol and let it dry. Remember to choose a site at least 3 inches away from your insulin pump infusion set or injection site. Avoid bony areas like ribs and hip bones and areas with scarring, tattoos, hair, or irritation. Also, you don't want to use the same sensor site 2 times in a row. Remove both labels. Do not touch the adhesive. Place the applicator on your skin. Fold and break off the safety guard. Press the button to insert the sensor. Remove the applicator. You've successfully inserted your sensor. Now it's time to attach the transmitter you removed. Clean your transmitter with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Insert the transmitter tab into the slot. Snap the transmitter firmly into place. Rub around the patch 3 times. Once your transmitter is attached, you can swim, bathe, and shower like normal. You have successfully inserted your sensor and attached your transmitter. Now back on your receiver, tap Next and then tap Start Sensor. Now your sensor warm-up has begun. The warm-up will take 2 hours to complete. You will not receive alerts or readings during this 2-hour sensor warm-up. Of course, if you have any questions during setup or any other time, call Dexcom Technical Support or Dexcom Care.